swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
Вечер на кофе.
Staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
Here, going that way, is all one big solid trunk.
Really?
Goes at least halfway across before it dies
That
out.
far out, there must have been a really big, tall tree.
They were as tall as these elms here. I got wedges there.
Oh, okay.
The angles are wrong. They're too wide.
Tapered or too wide?
Too wide. I need a thinner like this is.
Oh. It's regular hatch, woodsman at it, huh? I heard it pounding over there. I don't know what it was doing.
Exercising my patience.
How far down you gotta go? You've already killed it by cooking out the big part, haven't you?
Well, if I can get it, I want to get this lower section off at least and then run it straight.
Oh,
Eventually this shed's gonna
it rode up into the shed, hasn't it? Lifting it up, huh?
go. Well, that's the original floor there. It's rotted out.
Yeah.
Went to Home Depot to get some pink paint. When I got there, they told me they couldn't put colorant in it. They said their computer wouldn't let them add colorant to the white paint. I asked up at the main desk. They said no, there wasn't enough room in the paint can to add the colorant. So I come home and I come up with my own idea. I took the white acrylic latex and I added Liquitex artist color. And I come up with a pink. 4 ounces per gallon.
Here you are.
I found a way to solve my problem.
Looks much better.
I think it's going to take 3 coats to cover it. First coat covered the rust, but I can still see patches where the rust was. Third coat will give it the color, evenness across the whole side. If you go around the side here, you can see what I started with.
You're gonna paint this here too?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so horrible.